Hey guys, Mark Berry here. So I ordered a one of these. Have you seen these? These clips. It's a monster tooth clip, if you can see the teeth on it. It's a GoPro attachment, and it goes like right here on your pack. So you can just attach your GoPro right here. I took it out hiking and did some quick tests on it. It didn't move. Like it didn't move. I tried jumping up and down. Kind of shook it a little bit, didn't budge. So I was pretty happy with it. This also spins, so you can see that. So you can adjust it, you know, put it wherever you want, and it sticks. It doesn't shift around or anything. It actually, it's kind of hard to move it. But there's just a screw there if you need to adjust it. But yeah, it's like, they're under 10 bucks on Amazon, so they're definitely worth the price. They're also meant to hold a full-size GoPro. I just use my Session on it. It's a lot lighter. So I didn't even have a heavy pack on. I had a pretty small pack, just a little Osprey Daylight, and running around. Then I even forgot it was on there. So the only thing that's concerning is if you have it on, if you're crawling through brush, it will probably get pulled off. That's about it. So, but if you're hiking, you shouldn't be crawling around, you know. So that's my only flaw, is it's pretty easy to pull out. I definitely recommend. I'll put the Amazon link in the description on the one I bought. But they're pretty sweet. Definitely recommend it, especially for how cheap they are. If you guys have one or you guys have a different model, let me know what you got and what you think. Have a good one.